Hi, it's brew day at the Pilot Brewery. Today I'm doing Russian Imperial Stout, it's our Christmas seasonal special this year, suggested by Simon of Real Craft Beer. So I'm just going to get the grains in the mash tun, quite a few different ones, so I'll talk you through it as I go along. First of all, the bulk of it will be this pale malt. So even though it's a dark beer, pale malt makes up most of the malt bill. And I'll just add this as I go along. This is roasted barley. This is what makes a good stout, and this is what smells fantastic in the morning. Fantastic aroma with this, like lovely fresh coffee. Bang some of that in. This Russian Imperial Stout is based on our normal stout, which is called Black Storm. But I'm adding a couple of ingredients we don't normally get in Black Storm. That was one of them, so it's a bit of crystal malt. I'm hoping that's going to add, bring a bit of vinous quality through when this beer gets going, because it's going to be quite a strong one, maybe 7.4%. So it's going to be quite a hefty beast, so hopefully that will give us a bit of vinous quality. Get a bit more pale in now. A stubborn bit at the bottom. There we are. And another special ingredient today, which isn't normally in the stout, is this roasted rye, which might give a little hint of spiciness. Never tried that before, but I thought about it in the shower this morning, so I'll give it a whirl. Just got to try and unclump all this grain so it mashes nicely. Now with this size mash tun, I can't add much more grain than I normally do for a strong beer, up to 5% perhaps. So the only way I can get the strength I want above that is to put less water in. And obviously in adding less water, you don't only make stronger beer, any flavours in the beer are like intensified, obviously because they're less dilute. And that's looking pretty amazing at the moment. I'll show you that in a minute. Get the last of the pale in. You can see the limitation of the size of the mash tun, because the grain is near in the top. It's a bit to go yet. These Christmas specials are always 4 parts bookwork, 2 parts experience, and how many parts left? 4 parts just a bit of playing around. So let's try and break that a bit. Give it a good mash. There we are. It's all broken up. And what you can't do is smell this. It's fantastic. I will show it to you once I got all the grain in. Right, let's add the rest of the roasted barley. We don't want to miss out on that. Get the last of the crystal in. Well, I do normally add a bit of black malt, just because I can. That much isn't going to make much difference, but I feel better adding it. A bit of a stir. Get it all mixed up, all wetted. And the very last bit is the rest of the rye. Of course, this is quite, well, it's got plenty of roasted malt in it. The hop additions in the kettle later on, there's nothing special about that. Just want the hops to try and subtly balance the beer. We don't want a hoppy beer really. If you want a hoppy beer, have some Revolver. Seems to be going quite well. I say it smells intensely like coffee. It looks like coffee as well. At this point, I'll show you in a minute. Pretty awesome. Right, I'll probably give that another stir in a minute. I'll just show you that, and then I can leave you to it. Here we go. So that's all the roast in there. It's lovely colour, and the colour is only beaten by the smell really. So that'll leave that steep for an hour, and then I'll be doing some sparging, not as much as usual, because obviously I've said I want less water than normal to get the strength on the beer. So shame that Simon couldn't be with us. He'd be loving the smell of this, and I'm sure he'd want to taste the words that came through. But hopefully this is the next best thing. Thanks very much. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye bye.